Efficacy of physiologic insulin resensitization as a treatment for insulin resistance pathophysiology. By Frank Greenway, Brian Loveridge, Richard Marchese, Zach Willaward, Carol Wilson, Michael Alexander, Scott A. Hepford and Jonathan R. T. Leakey. Diabetes was the 8th leading cause of death in the United States in 2021 based on the 103,294 death certificates in which diabetes was listed as the underlying cause of death. The prevalence of type 2 diabetes mellitus, T2DM, has increased from 2.5% of the US population in 1990 and rose to 11.6% of the total US population, or 38.4 million people, in 2021. This chapter has 3 purposes such as exploring insulin resistance pathophysiology, addressing the role of the insulin receptor, INSAR, in the regulation of glucose homeostasis, and reviewing literature for clinical outcomes and molecular mechanisms that support the use of physiologic insulin resensitization, PIR, as an effective treatment to address IR, of which diabetes and its complications are the most common diagnoses. Insulin resistance is the primary cause of type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance leads to increasing insulin secretion, leading to beta cell exhaustion or burnout. This triggers a cascade leading to islet cell destruction and the long-term complications of type 2 diabetes. Concurrent with insulin resistance, the regular bursts of insulin from the pancreas become irregular. This has been treated by the precise administration of insulin more physiologically. There is consistent evidence that this treatment modality can reverse the diabetes-associated complications of neuropathy, diabetic ulcers, nephropathy, and retinopathy, and that it lowers HbA1c. Using physiologic insulin resensitization is a logical clinical solution to restore physiologic insulin function. The study also suggests that the complications, hospitalizations, medication costs, and emergency room visits may be reduced using physiologic insulin resensitization. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.